Neural rendering is a completely new way of thinking about graphics that uses artificial intelligence to draw. Neural rendering is a really broad collection of technologies, which includes things like DLSS, which is a neural rendering product that makes rendering virtual worlds about 10 times more efficient rather than having to simulate an image over and over again, 120 times a second, many millions of pixels per frame. We can just use a neural network to predict what those pixels would look like. Neural rendering can learn by looking at millions of hours of video how snow should look, and then can draw that for us. It's possible to render scenes that we just didn't have the budget or the compute to render with traditional methods. And that allows new levels of realism and interactivity compared with any of the methods that we had in the past. Now, neural rendering is moving to the next level, opening up possibilities for physical AI. For example, we can simulate how the world should look and then use that to train robots or use that to understand video from the real world so that we can solve problems with AI that we could never solve before. Humans really enjoy interacting with graphics. It makes ideas more real to us. I think it's going to change the way that we think about visual art. The question isn't, do you have a picture? The question will be, what is it saying? And I think that's going to raise the level of discourse that we have as a society.